Hello entrepreneurs. So if you are an entrepreneur and want to get informational and educational videos on businesses, then you are on the right channel. Today we are going to discuss about Google Alerts. So if you want to get alerts regarding fundings being given to the startups and businesses, then what you can do is you can create alerts based on series. So there are Series A, B, and C kinds of funding being given to startups. I hope you all know about all Series A, B, and C fundings. So let's get started. First, go to Google Alerts and then create a alert with respect to Series A. Write Series A, then click on create alert and then write Series B and then write Series C. Let's see what's there in this alert. So how often? At most once a day. Source is automatic, language is English, reason is any reason, and the email ID to which you want this alert to be sent to. I hope you liked this video. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to the channel. Thank you.